So it's lunchtime. I'm going to show you a quick, easy lunch that's healthy. Let's do it. I'm going to make a simple chicken salad. You can see I have chicken, Roma tomatoes, onion, romaine lettuce, a mixture of salad leftovers, and some avocado oil mayonnaise. So here you can see I've cut up some tomatoes and onions and some chicken into bite-sized chunks. I'm going to mix all of this up in here. That looks good. I'm going to take my mayonnaise, put some in. Now you can put a little squirt of mustard in here if you want to. Going to mix this up. I'm going to put a little bit of these salad leftovers here. Got a little bit of purple cabbage and some shredded carrots. Just a little bit. Give it a little pop of color. Now I'm using this as a substitute for bread. Instead of making a sandwich, you can use lettuce. Now I'm just going to spoon this right onto here. I'm going to spread this out now evenly. I'm going to take some cheese. It doesn't matter what kind. Use any kind you like. I happen to have some chia seeds, so I'll be using those as a garnish. There you have it. Now you can also make this meal with chicken or tuna out of a can or egg salad. I just did it this way because I had leftover chicken. Now I usually add hard-boiled eggs to this, but I don't have very many eggs left because I just made a bunch of egg bites, as you know from my last episode. So this is what I have for my lunch. Easy peasy.